So let us first open Power BI and start to bring data from Odata feed and then start to work cleaning the data, merging and appending columns. First we will go to get data, go to more, this is a public data for practice purposes. Odata feed, and here you go, you see the Odata feed and get yourself connected to the public data for practice purposes. I will put this link in my description box for you to work on this data. So once when this data gets loaded, we will load some of the categories, customers, order details, orders and products. We will load all this data in our Power BI and then we start cleaning it. So here the data is getting loaded in Power BI and this says apply changes. So as soon as this data gets loaded, we will see all the 5 tables here and then we will start to clean the data, going to transform data. Here we will go as soon as all the data gets loaded. So now we have 5 tables. We will go to transform data, that is Power Query Editor. Here we clean our data. For that we have to click it and click remove. And again we click here and remove. And here we have lot of nulls and that we can know that this is the color difference. When you see a color difference, there is null values. We see some null here also by looking at the color of the row. This is called column profiling. So let us see what else we can clean here. Order ID, and I don't think we need this. Let us order. Order ID require ship date, ship address, ship city. So here we have customer, employee, order details and shipper. So these are the things which we can delete this. Remove. Remove, remove and remove. So here most of the data looks clean. Let us close and apply. So again we will go to data table. Let us see in some order details. We have order ID, product ID, unit price, quantity and all. And let us see orders. We have order ID, customer, required date, shipped via, ship country, product ID, product name. Okay, we see here product name, and in order details we see order ID. So we want product ID, and next to product ID I want product name from the product table. So here we will go to order details. We need here. We'll go to home, transform data, go to order details. Here, since we want to bring product name from product table to order details table, because here we have only product ID, we have to bring product name from the product table. For that, we are going to click product ID and go to merge queries. Here, now we see product ID. We have to bring product name from product table. Let us click product. From here, so there are different type of joins. This is left outer join. Let us see how many. Right outer join, full outer join, inner join, left anti-join and right anti-join. These are the type of joins, and there is some use fuzzy matching, perform the merge. When the matching is not similar, then we use this use fuzzy matching to perform. So let us see what are the joins. So okay, we will click here OK. We'll minimize this. Here I will show you what is joins, what it means by join. So there, imagine there is a table A, this is the table A and this is table B. We want to join table A and table B. But we have a common column between A and B, and this is the area which is common area. So we join these two tables left and right. This join is called left join. When you want to join all the table A and B, this is called full outer join. When you want to join left join, if it is null, use this left join. This is inner join. When table A and table B has one common thing, only you want to join this common table, then we use inner join. This is right join. We use this to join when we want to join the column of table B. Here this is called right join. Right join if it is null. So now you know what is our different type of joins. So now here we just merge the column. Now you have to click this double arrow thing, and here what we want is we have to select all, and we want to bring product name from this table. So we click product name and then click OK. Now we brought product name from the products to here. But suppose after some months we want some other tables to other column from product table to here to bring it. Then we have to go here to the setting and then again click product name and select any of the column which you want to bring here. So this is how you bring other column. But the same thing when we want to bring other column from other table, we use VLOOKUP in Excel. Here Power BI works differently. We use merge queries. Now we have a product name. Where is our product ID? So here we have product ID and we want this. Where is now product name? Where is our product? Okay, next to product ID, we will bring and drag and drop here. So now we have product ID and product name together. So now we know what is the product ID and what is the name of the product. So now we click close and apply for so now we have done the merging queries. Now we are going to bring some more data. We will go to Excel workbook. Then we will go and load some new data. We are bringing some region data. Here we have region order data, that is east order, north order and south order. We will load all this data to our Power Query editor. So as soon as we load this, so now let us see what we have in north orders and south orders. Okay, east orders. So we have in east order, order ID, customer ID, order date and testing. We don't need this testing column. Now let us see what we have in north ID, north order. We have ID. Okay, so here we have ID, there we have order ID. We might have to change the name of the ID. So now let us see south orders. Here we have order ID, customer ID, order date. So this we have to understand the data first to make transformation. What are we going to do is we are going to go to transform data, okay, east orders. We don't need this. So we are going to remove this column. Now we are going to see North ID. We have ID. Here we have order ID. See, we are going to copy this name and go to North Orders and we are going to paste the name of we are going to join, we are going to append this later on. So when we have the same name of the column, it is easy to append the rows. So we are changing the name. This is one of the best practices. So now we will go to South Orders. Let us see what we have in South Orders. Okay. Now we are going to add a column because we are planning to join all East Order, North Order, South Order into one row, in one table. So when we join tables, then we will not be able to understand from where this order has come. So here we are going to add a column. The East Orders and click OK. So we have added a column because we are planning to join all these 3 columns, and after joining we should be able to know from which region we got this order. So now we are going to go to North Order. Here also we are going to add a custom column and we are going to name it as region. And here in the column NORTH, North, ORDERS, orders, we are going to click OK. Then we are going to do same thing here also, custom column. We are going to type region, and here again South, ORDERS, orders, and we are going to click OK. So now we will be knowing when we join all 3 columns, we will be knowing from which region we have received this order. Now, we have 3 orders. Why do we need 3 tables? Can we make a single column? We will go to append queries as new. So we are going to create a single column. So here already we have added South. Now we will add North. Now we will add East. Okay. So now we are going to rename this as all region orders. Now we have all region orders. Why do we need these three columns, these three tables: east order, north order, south order? Because we have created joining these three tables into one table, that is all region orders. So we cannot delete this because this all region orders have reference from these three orders. So what we can do is we have to click enable load, and we have to click enable load. We have to click now enable load. What we did is this table is going to be in Power Query editor only. It will not be loaded here, but it will be there. So we have disabled loading to our original data. So now we are going to close and apply. So now we have a order ID, customer ID, order date, and regions. We know from which region all this order came. And we have one table, that is all region order, not three different tables. Now let us go to all regions order, transform data, we will go to customers, and then we will go to advanced editor. So this is our M script. What we are going to do is we are going to copy customers table script, and then we are going to open here and save it somewhere, paste. And now we are going to close this. We are going to close this. We are going to open our Power BI again, and we are going to close this, and we are going to go to blank query, and from blank query we are going to advanced editor. We are going to delete what we have here and paste and click done. See, we have full customer ID table just like that. So this is how you copy the whole table, taking the script from here. Close and apply. Rename customer, customer. So now you have full table, and this is how you do it when you want to copy table. You have everything now in your Power BI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you liked it. Thank you.